Welcome to Career Sneak Peek. If you're enjoying our content, we kindly ask you to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Today we will delve into the journey of a radiologic technician. A radiologic technician, also known as a radiologic technologist or radiographer, is a healthcare professional responsible for operating medical imaging equipment to create diagnostic images of patients' internal structures. On our career rating scale, the radiologic technician profession earns a notable 3 out of 5 stars for its salary prospects. With an entry difficulty rating of 3 out of 5, it offers a manageable path to entry. When it comes to stress levels, we rate it as a reasonable 2 out of 5, while job satisfaction receives an encouraging 3 out of 5 stars. A staggering 52% of radiologic technicians hold an associate degree, indicating that minimal education is required, with most training happening on the job. The average salary for this role is around $65,000, with a salary range spanning from $48,000 to $98,000. Now, let's explore how you can enter this profession. The initial steps include obtaining a high school diploma or equivalent and completing an accredited radiologic technology program, typically lasting around 2 years. Furthermore, certification or licensure may be necessary, depending on the jurisdiction. The American Registry of Radiologic Technologists, ARRT, provides the most common certification in this field. To thrive in this occupation, a radiologic technician must possess both technical and soft skills. These include proficiency in operating medical imaging equipment and a deep understanding of radiation safety protocols. Additionally, knowledge of anatomy, physiology, and medical terminology is essential for positioning patients accurately and capturing precise images. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills are crucial when adjusting imaging techniques based on patient conditions and desired diagnostic outcomes. Effective communication and interpersonal skills enable interactions with patients, healthcare professionals, and colleagues. Attention to detail and adherence to protocols ensure accurate and reliable results. Physical stamina and dexterity are necessary for maneuvering patients and operating imaging equipment. Lastly, compassion and empathy are vital for providing patient-centered care and addressing their concerns. As a radiologic technician, your main duties will revolve around preparing patients for imaging procedures, providing explanations and answering questions, positioning patients and the imaging equipment meticulously to obtain high-quality diagnostic images, following safety protocols to minimize radiation exposure to patients, staff, and yourself, operating various medical imaging equipment, including X-ray machines, CT scanners, or MRI scanners, collaborating with physicians and other healthcare professionals to determine the most suitable imaging techniques, reviewing and evaluating the quality of images, ensuring they meet diagnostic requirements, maintaining patient records and documenting imaging procedures accurately, ensuring proper care and maintenance of imaging equipment, upholding patient confidentiality and maintaining a professional and compassionate demeanor. The career path of a radiologic technician offers opportunities for progression and specialization. Let's explore some potential milestones. Radiologic Technician. Begin your journey in this entry-level position after completing the required education and certifications. Lead Technologist or Senior Radiologic Technician. Assume a leadership role, supervising and coordinating the work of other technologists. Specialization. Pursue expertise in areas such as mammography, computed tomography, CT, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, or cardiovascular interventional radiography. Radiology Department Manager. Manage the daily operations of a radiology department, overseeing staff, equipment, and patient care. Education or research. Transition into roles involving teaching or conducting research in radiologic technology. Advanced practice. Pursue further education and training to become a radiologist assistant, RA, or explore a career in radiologic therapy. And that concludes our sneak peek journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time.